Seventh sum, first subdivision. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3, then prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So first given values we are going to write. Given value is what? Given sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3. So using this value, we are going to find the values of tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. We are going to prove. Let us see how to prove this one. First, from this given value, I am going to calculate some other value. See, sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Squaring on both sides. So you will get sin theta plus cos theta the whole squared is equal to root 3 the whole squared. Here we can use the formula a plus b the whole squared. That is sin squared theta plus cos squared theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. That is equal to root 3 the whole squared is 3. Now we know this identity sin squared plus cos squared is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3. Just I will take 1 equal to another side. So you will get 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. And see, here also having 2, here also we are having 2. So we can cancel both 2's. So you will get number 1. So now you got the value for sin theta cos theta equal to 1. Mark this one as equation number 1. Now we are going to take the question. That is, we are going to prove tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. How to prove? So we are going to start with the LHS. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to. We know the formula. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta formula is cos theta by sin theta. Now fraction form having middle sign is plus. So we can use cross multiplication method. Sin theta into sin theta is sin squared theta plus cos theta into cos theta is cos squared theta is divided by sin theta cos theta. Now we know this identity is 1. So 1 by sin theta cos theta. Already we calculated value for sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. So that is equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. This is our RHS value. Okay. So first you can get, you can ask one question. Why we are calculating this sin theta cos theta? Because we are going to use this value in this place. So only first itself we calculated the value of sin into cos is 1. Okay. Second subdivision. If root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0, then show that tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan squared theta. So from the given values we are going to prove this one is true or not. So from the given values what I am going to calculate here, theta values I am going to find. After finding theta value, replace separately LHS and RHS, and we are going to prove both also equal. Let us see how to prove this one. Now start with the given value root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. So first I am going to take sin theta to this side. So root 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta. Now I am going to group ratios, trigonometry ratios in one side, numbers to another side. So you will get sin theta by cos theta is equal to, here number 1, no term is 1, 1 into cos theta we can consider. So 1, this root 3 are going to take this side. So 1 by root 3. We know sin theta by cos theta is tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. When you will get tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, if you are taking the value of theta is 30 degree. So that implies theta equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now we calculate angle theta. Now we are going to prove this both also equal. For this separately we are going to take LHS and RHS and we are going to prove both also equal. Now start with the LHS value. So LHS is tan 3 theta. Theta value we are going to replace angle 30 degree. 3 into 30 degree. 3 into 30 is 90. So tan 90 degree. We know tan 90 is not defined or undefined. Now we are going to take RHS value. RHS is equal to 3 into tan theta. I will replace the value for theta is 30 degree. 3 into tan 30 degree minus tan cube 30 degree by 1 minus 3 into tan squared 30 degree. Now we know the values of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. Replace and simplify. You will get 3 into 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 the whole cube is divided by 1 minus 3 into 1 by root 3 the whole squared. Okay. Now 3 into 1 by root 3 we can write as 3 by root 3. 3 ones are 3 and denominators you write as it is minus 1 by root 3 the whole cube. That means what? 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. Isn't it? Now these two root 3 multiply means you will get term 3. So 1 by 3 root 3 is divided by 1 minus. Now 1 by root 3 we know root 3 the whole square is 3. So 3 into 1 by 3. Okay. Here we can cancel these two 3. Here I am going to write numerator as it is 3 by root 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3 divided by 1 minus 1. We know 1 minus 1 is 0. So denominator 0 coming means we can say that is also not defined. Now you got both also not defined. No? So from this we can say therefore LHS is equal to RHS. As you can write question tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta is divided by 1 minus 3 tan squared theta. Okay.